LUNR pushing up over 13% today after another nice move up. We called this out at that $11 mark and pushed all the way up to $19 for a 66% profit in 10 days. What's going on, guys? Johnny Trades here, and we're going to come at you with another great video. Now, we did call out LUNR in one of our Sunday stock talks, either both weeks actually, last Sunday and the Sunday before last, as this was setting up for a nice reversal play. As you can see, 3 stages of reversal very nicely here. That rejection period off of that 1650 resistance, coming back to test that that blue resistance level, and right here, as you can see, now this was some previous resistance in these levels, but what we did was we set a alert that if it dropped below 1262, we'd see more of selling pressure, or if it went above 1334 alert, and sure enough, it went above that 1334, giving our members, our LTE members, the team I go live with every single morning, our Learn to Earn team, and how they were able to make another additional 56% at that call out. So what are we seeing now? Well, right now we're seeing a little bit of a sell off from those highs of 1929, now at about 1875. But look at this really nice break. It tested this area, it held that resistance, and now this is becoming a very solid support level with a new resistance level at 1929. Okay, now this is the first for LUNR, as this is a Initiative Machines Inc., where they want to actually do like space exploration in the future. So this is one of those space exploration companies based in Houston, Texas. Now, as far as news goes, they did have some news having that price target lowered from 1750 to 1750 from 19. So it looked like there was some people who had quoted this to $19. That was what that significant bullishness was from, and now they're reducing it from 19 to 1750. So we can potentially see a sell-off back to this area here, 1750-ish, where it was. So this one's actually very risky, but I wanted to bring it to your guys' attention, as we did call this out back in this range of $11 to buy, as it was consolidating very nicely above that 1115 area, 1120, 1140 area. It had that consolidation period and gave us a few days to actually get in and start loading up. And then as it pushed up, this would have been the first sign of a sell. So buying at 11, selling at first sign at 15 was a 34% profit. And then waiting for it to come back down, waiting for that, again, that reversal pattern to take effect, rejection period, and then support above that EMA line would have resulted in another very nice clean 18% or even 30% if you held a couple of days, or even 50% if you held longer than 5 days, around a week or so. So now that sell period, that would have been the area to sell and buy. Now it is overbought, extremely overbought, so we really don't want to mess with this one too much more, and it is on the overbought watch list. So hope you guys enjoyed this quick little analysis. If you did, and you want to learn more about me, myself, or my trading strategy, then you can check out our Learn to Earn lesson library. It's going to be the second link in the description below. And if you want to learn more about WeBull specifically, this brokerage company, how I use it, how I set it up, that's all going to be available in that Learn to Earn lesson library. And there's even information on how you can get started on your own. And if you do, and if you feel like you're confident and you're ready to sign up with WeBull and begin your trading, even if it's a paper trading account, but just merely signing up and getting started, there's that link below in the description, and that'll give you free shares when you do sign up. So that's definitely something you can use as a good resource. Now, moving forward, the company I will be watching this coming week is going to be XPEV. This is another one of those companies that has a nice reversal setup playing out. As you can see, it got rejected at that 1480 level, and it started pulling back. Now, as it got to this $1480 level before, it has multiple times, once in October, another time in November, and then again just recently on 12/9. So XPEV is a Chinese electric vehicle company, but they are based in China, so be very cautious with this one. And with that said, they're also one of the companies who is leading this new innovation, new technology with basically the first electric flying vehicle. Supposed to be released now in 2025, which is very soon. So very interesting to see exactly what happens there. I saw some cool pictures of the flying electric vehicles. They look really cool. And, so that is what this company is based off of. Now, with the basic fundamentals out of the way, you can see at 1480, it came all the way back down, retested some support levels at around $12. Now, we have traded this in the $12 mark before, and done very well for ourselves. So we were looking at this on Sunday as a call out from those $12 areas, selling at that $14.80 area, potentially $15, resulting in a very nice 22% profit, in a matter of, maybe 10 to 20 days. So XPEV is one of those companies that I will be watching. Now it is at a critical level here, as it has found previous resistance in this exact range. So what I'm going to do is create a horizontal line right around here, and I'm going to make it yellow to show that that is where some previous resistance was at. Now this can sell off just a little bit, come back down and retest any one of these areas before actually pushing up. So XPEV is kind of one of my next companies here to catch another, what is that, maybe 25 to 30% profit. The same way when we called out LUNR last week, and it pushed up very nicely. I mean, look at the push up on LUNR. Very beautiful push up. So those are two companies we called out that have seen very great benefits, very great gains over the last week or two. And yeah, so that's what we do every day. We showcase different video stocks like this to you, and we also trade live in the stock market every day. So if you want to learn more about that, definitely subscribe to the channel, click the little bell notification so you know when I go live, and definitely consider joining our free Discord, where you can get a little bit more in the action on our daily trade ideas, chats, and actually talk with other like-minded individuals such as yourself who all want to do the same thing, and that's learn how to make money in the stock market, anywhere from long-term investing, swing trading, day trading, to even micro scalping. There's something for everyone in that Discord, whether you trade futures, ETFs, or crypto, stocks, etc. Again, there's something in there for everyone, so definitely check out the Discord. I do believe that is the first link in the description below. Thank you for your time, and like always, remember, let's end the year on a green note.